everyone, welcome back to Cellywood World, your weekly dose of glitz, gossip, and gut-busting sarcasm. I'm your host Dhruvi, and today we're diving into the whirlwind of celebrity breakups that have rocked the Hollywood in 2025. From long-term marriages ending to surprising splits, it's been a year of unexpected heartaches. So, grab your popcorn as we unpack the most talked about separations and speculate who might be next. Let's get into it because somebody's gotta keep the score when the beautiful people start and following each other on. We have a Dakota Johnson and Chris Martin, the Unconscious Uncoupling sequel. Remember when Dakota Johnson and Chris Martin were the epitome of the low-key love? Well, after nearly 8 years of playing hide and seek with the paparazzi, they have decided to call it quits. Again. Their relationship had more on-again, off-again moments than a faulty Wi-Fi connection. Engagement rumors swirled and they were fueled by a mysterious emerald ring. But sadly, no wedding bells chimed. Perhaps they were waiting for Mercury to be in retrograde again. Post-split, Dakota has been making headlines with her fashion choices, notably stepping out in New York City wearing a daring, all-sheer black tulle ensemble, which many dubbed her Revenge Dress 2.0, reminiscent of Princess Diana's iconic look. She's currently promoting her upcoming romantic dramedy film, The Materialists, where she stars alongside Chris Evans and Pedro Pascal. As for Chris, he's been focusing on his music and spending time with his children, Apple and Moses, from his previous marriage. A modern Shakespearean tragedy. In a plot twist worthy of a soap opera, Romeo Beckham and Kim Turnbull have parted ways after 7 months of dating. The breakup coincides with a reported family feud involving Romeo's brother, Brooklyn Beckham, and his wife Nicola Peltz. Oh, then it's about young love, which is complicated, dramatic, and a perfect fodder for the tabloids. Adding to the family drama, tensions have reportedly arisen between Nicola Peltz and Victoria Beckham. The feud allegedly began at Brooklyn and Nicola's 2022 April wedding, when Victoria was introduced as the most beautiful woman in the room by Mark Anthony, overshadowing a moment meant for the couple. After 27 years of marriage, Hugh Jackman and Deborah Lee Furness have decided to part ways. The split, initially presented as amicable, has taken a dramatic turn with reports surfacing of Jackman's relationship with Broadway star Sutton Foster. Jackman and Foster's relationship reportedly began during their time co-starring in the Broadway revival of The Music Man from December 2021 to January 2023. Their on-stage chemistry was evident, and their off-stage bond grew stronger over time. Sources indicate that they were first publicly seen together in January 2025, confirming their quiet relationship post-divorce. Furness has expressed deep feelings of betrayal following the end of her marriage. She revealed that the split had been far from peaceful, especially after Jackman's relationship with Foster became public. Allegedly, Foster had previously tried to befriend Furness and even arranged double dates while secretly growing close to Jackman. This has left Furness feeling extremely disturbed in hindsight. Kaia Gerber and Austin Butler have ended their 3-year relationship, citing the classic "it just ran its course" reason. Rumors suggest that Kaia's parents, Cindy Crawford and Rande Gerber, had a heart-to-heart with Austin about his intentions. Apparently, the conversation didn't go over well. Note to self, parental interventions in celebrity relationships Jessica Simpson and Eric Johnson have decided to separate after a decade of marriage. Jessica stated that they had been living separately, navigating a painful situation. It's always sad to see a relationship end, but perhaps this will inspire a new line of breakup ballads or a reality show. Newly single, Jessica's Journey. Next we have Naomi Osaka and Corday. Love turns to game over. Tennis star Naomi Osaka and rapper Corday have ended the 5-year relationship. Naomi announced the split on Instagram, emphasizing that there's no bad blood or praising Corday as an awesome dad to their daughter Shay. It's refreshing to see a mature, respectful breakup in the celebrity world. It is only a matter of time before the next headline-grabbing split. Now, we are not saying that we want these couples to break up. Okay, maybe just a little for the drama. But let's be real. If a relationship needs to be clarified via a notes app statement, maybe things aren't all sunshine and yacht selfies. Hailey Bieber recently stirred the pot with an Instagram story featuring a handwritten note that read, "Cry me a river, build me a bridge, and get over it," captioned with "relatable." The note was penned in a notebook labeled Baldwin, her maiden name, which fans quickly interpreted as a nod to her pre-Bieber identity. This post came amid growing concerns over Justin's well-being and behavior, adding fuel on the ongoing speculation about their marriage. Hailey's skincare brand Rhode was recently acquired by Beauty in a deal projected to yield $1 billion. However, the couple reportedly did not sign a prenuptial agreement when they married in 2018. Given California's community property laws, Justin could potentially claim part of Hailey's fortune if they divorce, adding a layer of financial complexity to their relationship. Justin's recent public appearances have raised eyebrows. He was spotted wearing a black knee brace during a solo outing at Voda Spa in West Hollywood, sparking questions about an unspecified injury. The plot twist we didn't know we needed, but also kind of still don't understand. When rumors first surfaced about the Lip Kit Queen and the Oscar-nominated Heartthrob, the internet nearly combusted. Was it love? Was it a vibe? Or was it just a genius PR move during a slow news cycle? The clock may be ticking on this glossy fling, because let's face it, even the most photogenic PR romances come with the expiration dates. Harry Styles and Taylor Russell. Now, that's a pairing straight out of an A24 fever dream. They're cute, they're artsy, and they ooze that elusive, moody energy that makes fans swoon and stalk their every sighting. But let's not kid ourselves. While their chemistry is undeniable, so is the ticking clock on the bohemian romance. Harry, with his silk blouses, glittery nails, and free-spirited heart, has never been one for settling down. His dating history reads like a Vogue guest list, beautiful, stylish, and fleeting. Taylor Russell, on the other hand, is the kind of indie darling who probably journals in cursive, listens to jazz on vinyl, and performs emotional monologues on houseplants. She's intense, introspective, and allegedly not super into all the flash culture and circus that comes with Harry's level of fame. Word on the street is that, while they deeply connect on an artistic level, poetry readings, gallery hopping, existential chats at 2 a.m., the lifestyles might not be built to last. So yeah, they're dreamy, but dreamlike things, they tend to disappear. No one saw that one coming. And frankly, we are still not entirely sure it's not part of some elite level social experiment. The age gap, the vibes, the fact that they feel like two people waiting awkwardly in line at Erewhon. Look, we're not betting money on this lasting. And finally, Kourtney Kardashian and Travis Barker. They are still flaunting their "we just made out in the middle of Whole Foods" energy. But now that the honeymoon baby is here, real life might come crashing down like one of Travis's drum solos. Blink 182 may be eternal, but reality TV marriages, not so much. And there you have it, folks. The latest batch of Hollywood's heartbreaks. Served hot and slightly overcooked. I don't know about you, but at this point, I feel like I need a relationship therapist just from watching these celebs try and fail at love. Honestly, the next big red carpet event should come with tissues, prenups, and an on-site breakup counselor. But hey, that's what we signed up for in Celibate World, right? Drama, designer divorces, and more plot twists than a telenovela on Fast Forward. So, who's gonna break the next heart? Who's lining up for a PR rebound? Who's going to write a breakup album that ruins us emotionally for 3 months? You already know. We'll be here for it all. This was Celibate World, where love is temporary but tea is eternal. Don't forget to subscribe and spill this episode to your besties who live for the drama. Until next time, stay messy, stay nosy, and remember, in Hollywood, even Cupid needs a lawyer.